Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. It is also better to disable Windows Defender and any other antivirus. Because the injector interferes with the memory of the game, antiviruses may recognize it as a threat to the computer, but at the same time, you are unlikely to get a ban for it. Just download Injector, link in the description. So you need Extract Archive on desktop or any convenient location, then run it, and immediately launch the game. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.